Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Ansys workbench software, and this lecture is 7 and 1 to 6 lecture is also available a playlist Ansys workbench software. Okay guys, this is a 19.2 software. This Ansys 19.2 software is advanced software, and this is a very heavy, and all point is discussed here very important, because this is a analysis this body advanced software is a learner. And guys, today discuss here a 3 point is very important, and this is a drawing tool, and all tool is one by one is a learner at first. Then this tool is very helpful as drawing any geometry, any workspace. Okay, first point is a arc by tangent, and second is a arc by 3 point, and third is a arc by center. Okay, all is a one point, all one. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, at first this is a workspace is a drawing here this board tools, and select this is a arc by tangent, and arc by 3 point, and arc by center. Three tools is a learn here. Okay, this is a arc by tangent. This click this, and tangent means any point, other point is select here, and this is a arc is drawing here, and then this is a arc is a select here. Okay, and also select this point and draw this point, and this is a this, and this point select here. This point is a this drawing here. Okay, and next is use arc by 3 point, and 3 point means select a first point and second point, and arc is a third point is anywhere is click here, then arc is a drawing here, and first point is this, second point is this, and third point is a this is a arc is drawing here. Okay, and first is this, second point is this, and drawing a arc. This is a okay drawing here this. Okay, arc is a drawing here. Okay, and next is a arc by center, and center is a drawing this drawing any point, and this is a like a circle, but this is not circle. Any this is a end point is click here, and then arc is a created. Okay, select first point and like a circle, second end point, and any arc is a okay, this is a perfect, and this is a first point and the second point, and any arc is a drawing here this. Okay, and first point and second point, and any arc is a this. Okay, first point, second point, any arc is this. Okay, all point is learner. Okay, this is a 3 point is one by one is learner. Okay, and this is a very helpful this tool. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.